In this video, we're going to talk about what a double replacement reaction is. Another way to describe it is a double displacement reaction. To do that, I have some sodium hydroxide here, and then I have some of the copper nitrate solution that I made in my previous video. So we're going to mix those two things together and see what type of precipitate forms. Okay, so here's my sodium hydroxide. Now yesterday, if you were in my class, you would have seen me do this reaction, and it turned out this really weird brown color. Well, I found out later as I was kind of trying to figure it out that that was a silver precipitate, not a copper one. So let's see if I can do a little better today. Let's see if it turns out okay. Oh yes, that looks much better. Okay. And I'll keep adding some more to this, but as I'm adding the solutions together, these are two liquid solutions, okay? And you can kind of see this jelly-looking stuff gathering at the top. That would be my copper and my hydroxide forming a precipitate together. Okay, now I'll just keep adding some more. Because it's actually a very pretty blue color, even if it looks like slime and jelly. The stuff doesn't look pretty, but the color does. Okay. And that would be a double displacement, because what's happening is both solutions are liquids to begin with. So here's my sodium hydroxide, that's a liquid, and in my pipette, that's a liquid as well. But when I combine them together, they're switching places with what they're mixing with, and they're making something new. In this case, it's a very pretty copper hydroxide precipitate. Okay, so these two liquids are forming a precipitate, which is now a solid material in solution. Okay, and that's the reaction I have back here. Double displacement. The first two up here, they basically just switch with what they are combined with. So now the sodium was over here, it's combined with the nitrate, and the copper over here is now combined with the hydroxide over here. So just switch around. And that is a double replacement reaction.